Look at me. I was such a strong chicken in my day. I used to watch that Arnold Schwarzenegger guy. I never did have much for biceps. Shoulders, yes, really good. I never skipped. Chesticle Tuesdays. I got these big old shoulders because I used to do serious trap muscles. I even swam a lot in my day too. And these glutes. Never joked around with these glutes. These are one of my biggest strong suits. Back day, I was the best at back day. Look at that, yes. I won a couple competitions. Broad back. I'm a little nervous about what's gonna happen next year. I've heard of some terrible stories about chickens in my precarious position. Well, this feels less than pleasant. Ooh, like bath time. Little baby talcum powder. There you got it. Head first.